So what's up guys, so today we're gonna be unboxing the 245 and BABYLISS collaboration clipper and trimmer, so stay tuned for that. So here we go guys, let's unbox this bad boy. I love this touch that they did. They put in the images inside of the drawings of doing the clipper. As any other BABYLISS clipper, he brings all this stuff inside underneath the clipper. It has the charging cable. It has the guards that they design on the weight and quality, the way they want it for this clipper, which I have to say I really love them. I gotta buy probably like 2 more sets. You get the plastic piece that goes into the cutting blade, moving blade, so if it wears out you can replace it, the oil, the brush, and the charging head with the BABYLISS instruction as well. Trimmer, same thing. It has the drawings on the trimmer inside. I love the touch, honestly. It gives you that of advanced in high luxury type of unboxing. The trimmer, guys, I love this trimmer. The color, the feel, just like the other one. It has all the same stuff inside. It has charging cable, the brush, the oil, charging head. I really like the packaging, but it's very nice. Everything looks top notch. Here is the charging mat on this one, guys. What I like is the cable that it comes from the clipper. You're using on the charging mat and you'll be all set. You just slide it in and it will fall into place because it has that little grooves on the back of the clipper that will hold into the mat itself, the charging station. Same thing with the same charging station. You charge the clipper, you can charge the trimmer. And that flickering is not anything with the clipper itself, it's just the camera. Here I would have side by side to see the size of the blade or the oyster and the clipper. You can tell the difference on size, and now you will hear how loud each one compared to the other one. And let's do it also with the trimmer, why not? One thing that I want to mention is that I did it on the not on the second speed on the BABYLISS clipper, just because it's the oyster just has 1 speed, so it will make it fair that way. I love what they did with the trimmer with that removable head, because that easy for cleaner. That's something that BABYLISS has been doing in the last few years on their trimmers. I have to say I love the ergonomics of this clipper. The lever feels so good, feels so natural. The grip on the back with the details and everything. The on and on button. When you tap the top one, that's when you can turn on the second speed. When you turn it off, it's just the first speed. Overall, guys, I love how it looks, how it feels on your hand. Like I said, it feels very high quality. It feels like a very good clipper to have and own. Like as you can tell, guys, I will right there go in with my 1.5 just to show you guys how well this clipper works. And I can complain. Look at this. This one was my number 1, and see how smooth it goes through everything and not getting caught or caught up on anything or hold by any type of the hair. So look at that, how smooth it went. That's very, like, for me, that was a plus. I like to go multiple times with the thing, but this clipper was taking it all at once. It's just a habit of me going over and over. But the trimmer, guys, oof, this doesn't stay behind. Look that how that cut. It's just like a blade, like a straight razor blade, straight up cutting through the hair like there's no tomorrow. Just do it in this side as well, and man, do I really love this. It doesn't pull any hair. I never felt it that way, so this is a must for sure. Okay guys, so my overall of the clipper and the trimmer, They're both amazing. But if you're not wanting to get the clipper, that's fine. If it's not your thing, it's fine. For me, it works fine. I really enjoy that working with that clipper. I really would keep it on my arsenal for quite some time. The trimmer, in my opinion, at least if we go to the blade, it's been the best blade I ever used when it comes to any BABYLISS trimmer that I ever used before. That blade, oh Lord. The trimmer itself for me is good. The ergonomics, the way they place everything, is just a plus. Like the attention to detail to both the clipper and the trimmer were amazing. Once again, if the clipper is not your thing, I do understand, but the trimmer for sure, you should get the trimmer. Like I said, both of them, I will be keeping them. I will be using them as I've been using them since I bought them. I've been using them a lot. I went overseas and I took them with me, and I was giving haircuts with those. I can't stress this enough. I really enjoy this combo. It's been a while since I loved a combo like that, and this has been the one. If you have any questions, please feel free to put it in the comments. And as always, guys, if you like this type of content, just let me know so I can keep making it for you guys and make the questions rain. I'd be more than glad to answer any questions you guys have. And as always, thank you for watching my content, and I will see you in the next video.